Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really happy that you are watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell so that you get a new notification each time when I upload a new video. Thanks a lot. Today I want to share the newest information about the DJI Avata drone. Now it is known when the drone will be released and there's also an official price. If you are looking for the best mini drone with a weight of less than 250 grams, please check out the link in the description below the video. There you will be forwarded to my partner shop and there you will find the best available price for the best mini drone right now on the market. I recommend you to watch the video till the end because I have an important announcement to make. Please enjoy today's video. In my last video about the DJI Avata, I already told you the most important information and functions from this new drone. But shortly to sum up, the drone will have a weight of 410 grams. It will have 3 different modes, the normal mode, the sports mode and the manual mode. In the sports mode, the drone will have a high speed of 50 kilometers per hour. And if you fly in manual mode, you can reach up to a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. It will be possible to buy the Fly More combo set, the normal set and also the set which includes the motion controller, which is already known from the DJI FPV drone. The official price will be $1,388, which is in my opinion in the upper part of the price range. The videos are stabilized by a 1-axis gimbal as well as electronically by a rock-steady software solution. The official release date is the 23rd of August, so in a couple of days, and I'm really excited and looking forward to this new drone. I recommend you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell so that you get a new notification each time when I upload a new video. I will also test the DJI Avata, and if you are lucky, maybe you can also win this super cool new drone. If you're not looking for an FPV drone, but for the best drone which is available at the moment now on the market with a weight of less than 250 grams, you should definitely check out the link in the description below the video. There you will be forwarded to my partner shop and you will find the best price for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. If you liked today's video, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below the video. I am happy to help you. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next one.